What's up? It's been a while since I did a little update, so I figured I'd give it a shot from the beginning. Full power, everything's working. We got lights, water pump, water's working. I just tested the water out. I got a little water left in there. All the lines are working, everything's working. Bathroom completely finished up. Nothing too special. Pretty much kept the bathroom completely the same. Everything else is different. You got the kitchen area. Still got to finish the top piece. And then do some compartment stuff here with the drawer. But I got all my battery stuff tucked away. Ooh, look at how ugly it is in there with all the wires. There's my whole battery setup, as well as that. It's running my fridge. Nice cold fridge here. I can show. Got some ice in there. Show you that it's working. That electrical outlet will be for one a spare, and then the other outlet's going to be used for the microwave that we're probably going to put right here. Water heater and water tank and pump all down here. So I got my tank, and then that's for just outside, like shore water, I guess you'd say. So that goes there, and then I got my pump here. I tried to make these lines kind of stay up and out of the water there. Those are just the levels for the water, but I don't even think I'm going to be using those. There's my water heater. Still got to run the propane lines to that. So the water heater and the fridge are both running off of this AC power unit right there. So that's that area. And then the exhaust I'm going to have for that, I'm going to shoot through there. And it's all going to be compartmentalized in there. And then we got the vent at the very bottom there that goes outside. So that's area there. Heater to stay warm. I got a diesel heater. I kind of blocked off this section, so I got a diesel heater with 2 vents and the display. And it also has a remote too, so you can be up in bed and don't have to move at all. So that'll be pretty cool. And this other area is for the cats. It'll be the cat litter box. Little spot there. Moving on to this side, dinette area. Table ready to go. Table's out there getting some epoxy. This will be a compartment and access to the gas filler neck if need be. But yeah, all compartments there. And same with this one. That's to get into that down compartment to the outside. The bed, completely carpeted and finished up. Might need to do some touch-ups on paint, but the bed area is completely done. Underneath, I just did something like that to hold that with some big wood screws and lag bolts to get everything kind of held together so I can hold some weight. And you guys have seen the front. It hasn't changed, maybe a little dusty right now, but that's it. This is the Sunrader. 90% near completion. And I'm so stoked. Oh, almost fell out. Also, more fiberglassing done on this, but got to do some more, a lot more to clean it up.